Twitter CEO, Jack Dorsey has sent out a tweet that will send SHIB prices soaring. It's crazy, actually. The Shiba Inu meme cryptocurrency has been pummeling it in the markets, having put many crypto analysts and critics to shame. Its value has tripled in the last few weeks in what is clearly a bull run, and it is approaching the much anticipated all-time high. In today's video, you'll learn everything about it. We'll also be checking up on more insanely positive SHIB updates, as well as other major crypto news. So make sure you finish watching this video and don't miss a single second. There are a lot of updates coming your way, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss anything. Hi there. It's Sheriff Network and I'm happy to welcome you to another video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. With that being said, let's get to the video. The insane number of tokens available has SHIB holders confident that the currency will be listed in Robinhood and has even managed to force its way to the once end pricing range. But first, here's something interesting you might not have known. Shiba Inu has now outperformed Robinhood in terms of market capitalization. And if you don't see how remarkable this is, you're in need of some education. Don't worry, I'll take care of you. So, as I mentioned in a previous video, SHIB is now being added to Robinhood. And, as you may be aware, a petition has been circulating calling for Robinhood to add Shiba to its side. The petition currently has close to 400,000 signatures and is approaching the 500,000 mark. In any case, you're probably aware that Robinhood is a well-known cryptocurrency brokerage. SHIB, close relative or mortal enemy, depending on how you look at it, are among the 7 altcoins currently listed on its platform. Despite the growing amount of signatures and mounting criticism from both within and beyond the crypto community, Robinhood has remained largely mute on the subject. When you consider how many people are correctly pushing for SHIB to be introduced on the Robinhood platform, you'll have to admit that the fact that SHIB currently has a greater market cap is rather intriguing. Then there's the fact that SHIB is now more valuable than the platform that has been delaying the token's listing. It's mind-boggling when you think about it. Right? I understand. Perhaps more astounding is the fact that she has a larger market capitalization than both Etsy and Pinterest, not to mention the fact that the Shiba exchange SHIB DeFi protocol has been validated by CertiK. So, contrary to popular belief, Shiba Inu is now a real ecosystem rather than simply a meme token. Some of us have a strong desire for some or all of this, and most of us have seen it coming. But I don't believe anyone expected things to happen so soon and so early. That said, you'll have to agree with me that no discussion of SHIB and its triumphs is complete without mentioning Dogecoin. I understand that both fanatics may not agree on everything, yet their roots are somewhat similar. Both cryptos are referred to as meme currencies. This implies they thrive on celebrity endorsements and influences. They've also experienced a lot of price surges courtesy to Elon Musk, the self-proclaimed dog father. However, with SHIB on the rise these days, that's about where the parallels end. Apart from their beginnings, Dogecoin and Shib, along with other meme currencies, are credited for attracting a large number of new investors to the crypto world, particularly in recent years. They are low cost to enter in the sense that they do not now cost as much as the big guys, but they also show a lot of potential, making them the favored option for those wishing to test the waters. And, as a result of the rush of new investors, the value of cryptocurrencies will almost certainly rise significantly. To give you a better understanding of what I'm talking about, the Coinbase app is presently the most downloaded app in the United States App Store. This isn't the first time Coinbase has accomplished this feat. It spiked in December of last year and again in May of this year. However, the fact that SHIB has been flying like crazy recently is probably the largest thing to happen to the crypto industry in a while, thus it makes sense that the biggest thing to happen to the crypto market in a while is pushing more people to invest in crypto. As a result, the number of Coinbase downloads has increased. While some individuals are at ease talking SHIB and Dogecoin in the same sentence, the inventors of both cryptos aren't very enthused about the other. Of course, this isn't new knowledge, but it sprang to mind after an amusing Twitter exchange. I saw a hashtag that Matt Wallace had tweeted, "SHIB is now shaking the globe." To which Satoshi Kasumar answered, "How high can you go? Make sure to follow immediately with alerts turned on to get rapid, real-time updates on Shiba Inu Coin and Dogecoin," to which Satoshi Kasumar replied, "How high can you go?" What's fascinating about this encounter is that Wallace is a Dogecoin enthusiast who is known for ragging on Shib, thus Satoshi couldn't resist the opportunity to clown him when he chose to capitalize on Shib's recent triumphs. Anyway, the origin of the beef between the Shib army and Dogecoiners may have something to do with the fact that Shib's tagline is, Dogecoin killer, but whatever the case may be, the founders of both cryptos, as well as their ardent supporters, enjoy clowning each other, which is almost always entertaining to watch. It's taking place right now. For background, consumer price inflation in the United States has been at a 30-year high, and while authorities have tried to minimize the crisis, there is rising fear that the situation is far worse than previously imagined. This increased worry appears to be tied to coverage. However, Dorsey's post has done nothing to assuage people's anxieties. Indeed, it has most likely verified the worries of individuals who regard billionaires like Dorsey as authorities. In a subject like this, it's difficult to be objective. It's all a little dismal. But what effect has this had on the price of Shib? Dorsey is a well-known crypto supporter who also co-founded Square, a debit and credit network that is contemplating entering the crypto mining business. So he knows his way around economics and cryptocurrency, which is why it's clear that he sees cryptocurrency as a solid inflation hedge. Just to make sure we're on the same page. An inflation hedge is a type of investment that is designed to safeguard investors against a currency's declining buying power, which is often caused by a factor such as inflation. And an inflation hedge is an asset that maintains or even increases in value when other assets or currencies lose value. Having grasped this, we can easily see how that tweet will undoubtedly encourage individuals to stock up on cryptos, particularly easy to enter and dependable coins. As you may have guessed, Shib. However, many people have yet to begin looking for an inflation hedge, and some of them do so because they do not feel that present inflation is significant or that long-term hyperinflation is imminent. Cathie Wood, the CEO of ARK Invest, is one of these individuals. In response to Dorsey's tweet, inflation has risen as a result of COVID-related supply chain delays and oil supply limits, she tweeted. The enormous and merging deflationary pressures associated with AI energy storage, EV robots, genome sequencing, and blockchain technology, in my opinion, will bend the curve. While there are certain reasons that are responsible for present inflation, she is effectively suggesting that there are other causes that will help to flatten the curve, particularly preventing hyperinflation. As seen by everything mentioned in this video, this counterargument did little to impede the growth in Shib's value. However, in the comments area, I'd want to hear your thoughts on the subject. Do you think this hyperinflation scare is true, and will it lead to another massive Shiba Inu price rally? Let me know what you think in the comments section. That's it for now. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message via our official email in the description of this video. Disclaimer: please keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions as a result of watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. Quick reminder: if investing in any cryptocurrency seems like an interesting idea to you, the easiest and safest way to buy any cryptocurrency regardless of any country you reside is to buy from Binance platform. There are other places where you can buy cryptocurrency, but this platform is the best and cheapest as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Kindly use the link in the description of this video to buy and start trading. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.